Good evening. Week 4 Web Programming Project Day 2. Uh, Today in the morning we have assigned task. The team leader I have given to us, and we have started working on it. The task which I need to complete today and which I have completed is the login register page with validation. So actually first I will show you the page. This is the page where if I press a login, the login page will be displayed, and if I just press the register page will be displayed. I will just explain how the validation works. So I will be giving my name. I will not give anything, and let's just press register. Then it will be asking the last name, number, email, and password must be required. So I will just fill the details, and in the number field I just need to press numbers. If I just type any alphabets, it will not be taking. So I'm giving my number, and the mail, I will be writing an invalid email address, and it's saying be a valid email address. So @gmail.com, and password, it must be at least 6 digits. It's changing. I just press register, it will be saying, and if I go to login and just try, and @gmail.com, the password. Voila, login successful. This is the thing I have done it. I'll be showing you the code in a second. I have 1 second. So in the app, I have taken two components, the login and the register. Before going through the components, in the app.component.html, I have taken a router link to login and the register pages. So the router link, register, and the login, I will be getting through the app.routing.module. Here I have done the routing part. I have imported the components. I have given the paths to the login and register pages. So if I, in the app.component.html, if I just press login, then it will go to the login component.html, and if I press register, it will go to the register component.html. So I will be going to the register first. Okay, before going to the register, I will explain to the services. I have taken a credential service in which I have taken a user details, and then add method and a get method for time being until the database which we are working will be completed. After that, I will be linking this service to that. So the register component.html, in this I have taken a form group called register form. In that, each div class for the first name, last name, number, email, password, everything. So I'll just explain the first one. A div class called form group and a label. In that, an input field. In the input field, I have taken the ng class for validation and the ng model to take the key to the TS file. Here another div for validation. So submitted and the first name dot errors required ngFs. So what's this f and submitted? This f I have taken just to minimize the length of the type. That's it. So I will go to the TS file. Here I have taken a form called register form and a boolean function called submitted. So on submit means if I click the submit button, then the submit will be true, and it will be checking if the register form is invalid, then it will send a return. Here the f is just for register form dot controls, this much key length. To reduce the key length, I have taken a variable f, and I have used everywhere over here. just to for easy understanding of the code. That's it. Here the registration form with the form builder group. In that, the first name, last name, number, email, password, everything are validator. So for first name, just validation required, last name validation required. For number, email, and password, two types of validation. These are required, and it should have a minimum length. It is should be an email. Its minimum length is 6. Like that, I have taken the validation. I have imported the form. Form builder, form group, validation, ng form, and the services which I have created. So I have in the constructor I have taken the parameters, objects, form builder and service for the things which I have imported. So when I just give the input, the ng model, these keys will be given to the register component.ts over here, and these keys are taken into the object called details, which is of type this, and I have adding this to the service with the add method. So the details from the register are going to the service. Then I will go to the login page. In login component.html, the same thing, a login form, and in form group, any one for email and one for password. When I press login button, it will go to the TS. In the login, I'm just first getting, so from the register, from the service, I'm getting the array and saving it in details. I'm rotating it in a loop. I'm checking if this email key and the details of from the service.email is validating or not. I'm just checking the email and the password are validating or not. If they are validating, then I'm just telling and giving an alert. The same thing which I have done in the register, I have done it in the login component also. See the login form and constructors from form builder and the service, the validation for the email and password, the f function, and the submit function. Submit function just for saying that after I click the login button or the register button, then only the validation should be worked. So I have taken the submit button as a boolean false over here, and after clicking it will be sending a true and showing the and will show the validations. So for this also I have taken the import form builder, form group, validator, and then the credential services service. So this is the task I have given and I have done it. Thank you.